Your AI image looks amazing, but the moment you turn it into a video, everything starts looking awkward. Let me show you one reason why. Creating a beautiful AI image is only the first step. Your image prompt and your motion prompt have two completely different jobs. Your image prompt tells AI what the scene should look like. Your motion prompt tells the AI video generator what should happen in that scene. Let me show you. Prompt 1. Image prompt. Create a vertical 9:16 cinematic 3D cartoon image of a 10 years old African girl named Amara with warm brown skin, expressive brown eyes, and coily black hair, styled in a high bun with a colorful African print headband. She wears a mustard yellow African inspired top with decorative patterns and small gold hoop earring. Amara is sitting at a kitchen table holding a small bowl of food. Warm morning sunlight enters through the windows. She has a thoughtful expression as she looks down at the bowl. Medium camera shot, warm cinematic lighting, detailed environment, premium cinematic 3D cartoon animation style. Keep the character age appropriate. No text, caption, logos, or watermarks. Vertical 9:16. Now look at the image. The image prompt told the AI who my character is, where she is, what she's doing, her expression, lighting, camera angle, visual styles. But here is where many beginners make a mistake. They take this beautiful image, upload it into an AI video generator, and type something like this. Number 2 prompt, the bad motion prompt. Make her move. But what exactly should she do? Should she stand up, look around, move her hands, smile, eat the food? The AI has to guess. Instead, I am going to tell the video generator exactly how I want this thing to move. Prompt 3, better motion prompt. Amara slowly looks down at the bowl of food in her hand. She paused thoughtfully for a moment, then gently raised her eyes and looked towards the doorway. She blinks naturally, had subtle breathing, and very small, natural hand movements while she holds the bowl. Her curly hair and clothing move slightly and naturally. Use a slow cinematic camera push in toward Amara. Keep her face, skin tone, hairstyle, headband, earrings, clothing, and overall appearance consistent with the original image. Do not add new objects or people. Avoid exaggerated facial expression, sudden movement, distorted or unnatural body movement. Keep the pacing slow, warm, and natural. Now, watch the difference. Instead of simply telling the AI to make a move, I've told it what Amara should do, how she should react, how her body should move, and what the camera should do. Here is the simple formula I want you to remember. Subject, action, facial expression, body movements, environmental movements, camera movements, and pacing. And don't try to make your character do 10 different things in one short clip. Keep your movements simple and natural. So remember, your image prompt creates the look. Your motion prompt creates the movement. If you are a beginner learning AI video creation, I am breaking the process down step by step this week. Save this video and follow at Coach Ebun or End with Ebun because I have something special coming for AI video beginners. Thank you.